10 Strategies for Financial Wellness, Building a Healthy Financial Life. Welcome to our channel Finance, where we unravel the secrets to building a healthy financial life. Achieving financial wellness is not just about having a large bank balance. It's about developing healthy financial habits and attitudes that support your long-term financial security and peace of mind. By implementing a range of strategies, you can build a solid foundation for a healthy financial life. Here are 10 key strategies to help you on your journey towards financial wellness. Before we begin, make sure to smash that like button and hit the subscribe for more exciting content. Number 1. Budgeting. Budgeting is the cornerstone of financial wellness. It involves creating a plan for how you will allocate your income towards expenses, savings, and investments. By tracking your spending and ensuring that it aligns with your financial goals, you can avoid overspending and make informed decisions about your money. One effective budgeting strategy is the 50-30-20 rule, where 50% of your income goes towards needs, 30% towards wants, and 20% towards savings and debt repayment. Adjust this rule to fit your individual circumstances, but the principle remains the same. Prioritize your financial goals while ensuring you have enough to cover essential expenses and enjoy life. Number 2. Emergency Fund. Building an emergency fund is essential for financial security. Life is unpredictable, and having a buffer of savings can help you weather unexpected expenses such as medical bills, car repairs, or job loss without resorting to high-interest debt. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in an easily accessible account, such as a high-yield savings account. Having an emergency fund provides peace of mind and financial stability, allowing you to navigate challenging times without derailing your long-term financial plans. Number 3. Debt management. Debt can be a significant obstacle to financial wellness if left unchecked. Develop a plan to manage and eventually eliminate any high-interest debt, such as credit card debt or payday loans. Start by prioritizing debts with the highest interest rates while making minimum payments on others. Consider strategies such as debt consolidation or balance transfers to lower your interest rates and streamline your repayment process. Additionally, focus on living within your means to avoid accumulating more debt in the future. Number 4. Savings goals. Setting specific savings goals can help you stay motivated and focused on building wealth over time. Whether you're saving for a down payment on a house, a dream vacation, or retirement, having clear objectives gives your financial planning direction and purpose. Break down your long-term goals into smaller, manageable milestones and track your progress regularly. Automate your savings contributions where possible to ensure consistency and avoid the temptation to spend money earmarked for future goals. Number 5. Retirement planning. Planning for retirement is crucial for long-term financial wellness. Start early and take advantage of retirement savings vehicles such as employer-sponsored 401k plans or individual retirement accounts, IRAs. Contribute regularly to these accounts and consider increasing your contributions whenever possible, especially as your income grows. Diversify your retirement portfolio to mitigate risk and maximize returns over the long term. Keep track of your retirement savings goals and adjust your strategy as needed to ensure you're on track to achieve financial independence in your golden years. Number 6. Investment strategy. Investing is a powerful tool for building wealth and achieving financial goals, such as retirement or wealth accumulation. Develop a well-rounded investment strategy based on your risk tolerance, time horizon, and financial objectives. Consider diversifying your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and alternative investments, to spread risk and optimize returns. Regularly review and rebalance your investment portfolio to ensure it remains aligned with your goals and risk profile. Number 7. Insurance coverage. Insurance is an essential component of financial wellness, providing protection against unexpected events that could derail your financial plans. Evaluate your insurance needs regularly and ensure you have adequate coverage for health, life, disability, auto, and homeowners or others insurance. Shop around for the best rates and coverage options, taking into account factors such as deductibles, coverage limits, and exclusions. While insurance premiums may seem like an added expense, the financial security and peace of mind they provide are invaluable. Number 8. Financial education. Invest in your financial literacy to empower yourself to make informed decisions about your money, Take advantage of resources such as books, online courses, workshops, and financial advisors to expand your knowledge of personal finance topics such as budgeting, investing, taxes, and retirement planning. Developing a solid understanding of financial concepts and strategies will enable you to navigate complex financial situations with confidence and make choices that align with your long-term goals. Number 9. Regular financial checkups. Just as you prioritize your physical health with regular checkups, it's essential to assess your financial health regularly. Schedule periodic financial checkups to review your income, expenses, savings, investments, debt, and insurance coverage. Identify areas for improvement and make adjustments to your financial plan as needed to stay on track towards your goals. Use these checkups as an opportunity to celebrate progress and reaffirm your commitment to financial wellness. Number 10. Mindful spending. Practice mindful spending by being intentional about how you use your money. Pause and consider whether a purchase aligns with your values and priorities before making it. Differentiate between needs and wants, and prioritize spending on experiences and items that bring genuine joy and fulfillment. Cultivate gratitude for what you have rather than constantly chasing material possessions. By adopting a mindful approach to spending, you can cultivate a healthier relationship with money and increase your overall satisfaction and well-being. Conclusion: achieving financial wellness demands dedication, discipline, and continuous effort. Implementing key strategies like budgeting, saving, investing wisely, and mindful spending establishes a robust foundation. Financial wellness isn't about perfection, it's about progress. Each step towards financial empowerment propels you towards a brighter future. If you find our videos helpful, don't forget to share, subscribe, and hit the like button to support our channel.